In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete cells diagonally in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet you want to work on. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key limitation in Excel. Excel does not actually support deleting cells diagonally. When you delete cells, Excel only gives you a few standard ways to shift the remaining data. You can shift cells left, shift cells up, delete an entire row, or delete an entire column. There is no built-in option to shift cells diagonally after a deletion. To make this easier to picture, imagine a simple block of sample data arranged across columns A through D and several rows underneath. If your goal is to remove cells in a diagonal pattern, like from the top left down toward the bottom right, Excel won't let the surrounding cells slide into place diagonally. So instead, you'll need to choose the best workaround based on what result you want. The first method is normal deletion. Select the cells you want to remove, then right-click and choose Delete. Excel will show you the available options: shift cells left, shift cells up, entire row, or entire column. This is useful if you want a standard cleanup, but it also confirms that there is no shift diagonally option. If your real goal is just to remove the values in a diagonal pattern, the second method is the better choice. Select each diagonal cell one by one while holding Control so you can choose multiple non-adjacent cells. Once those diagonal cells are selected, press the Delete key. This clears the contents of those cells without moving any surrounding data, which creates the diagonal effect visually while keeping the worksheet structure intact. A third method is simply to clear contents instead of deleting cells. Select the cells you want to empty, then press Delete on your keyboard. You can also go to the Home tab, choose Clear, and then select Clear Contents. This does the same thing. It removes the values but keeps the layout exactly as it is. So, to summarize, Excel supports deleting and shifting left, deleting and shifting up, deleting entire rows, and deleting entire columns. What it does not support is deleting cells diagonally. In most cases, if you need a diagonal pattern, clearing the contents is the safest and most practical option because it preserves your worksheet layout. If you need to do this often, you may also want to automate the clearing process with a VBA macro. But for most users, selecting diagonal cells with Control and clearing them is the simplest solution.